Do I just write my name at first? I'll just write my name and the year, won't I? I'll do that. 2025. Yeah. What are my goals? I don't want to do a burpee. Definitely not. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to exercise, I know that. What am I supposed to write in this book? I'm supposed to work harder than I've ever worked. Do I have to go to the wild spa? Am I supposed to be in the wild spa now? Do you have to microdose hypothermia? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to be vegan now? Do I just need a lash lift? Will I feel better if I have a lash lift? I think I will. Because if I get a lash lift, then I'll just be like driving home in the car, looking at myself in the rearview mirror, thinking, God, I've never looked better, have I? Just need a lash lift. I mean, I'm drinking coffee out of a glass, that's pretty 2025, isn't it?